Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome to psysigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. Want to live in someone's head rent-free? What if I told you that 3 simple texts could make anyone, your crush, your partner, even a distant friend, think about you long after you've put your phone down? This isn't about manipulation. It's about psychology. The right words at the right time create a feeling. And that feeling is what makes someone miss you. So sit tight, friends, because I am about to reveal them. Here are 3 texts to make anyone miss you. Text 1. The reminded me of you text. This one is simple but powerful. You send them something small that connects to a memory you share. A song. A photo of a place you went together. A screenshot of a show you both love. And you say, "This reminded me of you." That's it. No long explanation. No question they need to answer. Just a ping that says, "You cross my mind even when we're not talking." Why it works? This text creates a warm, positive association. You're not asking for anything. You're not demanding their attention. You're just sharing a moment. It makes them feel seen and remembered. And when someone feels seen, they think about you. Simple as that. Try tonight. Find one small thing that connects to a memory you share. Send it. Say, "This reminded me of you." Then put your phone down. Let it land. Text 2. The no pressure check-in. Most people check in with pressure. "Hey, what's up? Why haven't you replied?" You've been quiet. That energy feels like a demand. This text is the opposite. It's warm, open, and expects nothing back. Try this. "Just wanted to say I was thinking about you. Hope you're having a good day." Why it works? You've given them permission to not respond. That removes all pressure. And ironically, removing pressure makes them want to respond. It shows confidence. It shows you're not desperate for their attention. You're just sending good energy. That's attractive. That's memorable. Try tonight. Send this to someone you've been missing. Mean it. Then go about your evening. Don't wait by the phone. Text 3. The inside joke reminder. Every connection has inside jokes. The silly thing that only the 2 of you understand. The nickname. The weird moment you both laughed about. Pull that thread. Send them a short text that references the joke. Nothing more. "I still can't believe you thought that was a good idea. Remember when we got lost for an hour? That thing you said still makes me laugh." Why it works? Inside jokes create a bubble. A private world that only the 2 of you exist in. When you reference that bubble, you're reminding them of the unique connection you share. It's intimate without being heavy. It's playful. And playfulness creates longing. Try tonight. Think of one inside joke. One small memory. Send the reference. Let them smile at their phone. The bottom line. You don't need long paragraphs or grand gestures. 3 simple texts. "This reminded me of you. Just thinking about you." An inside joke only they understand. That's it. Try one tonight. See what happens. Now I want to hear from you. Which text are you sending tonight? Share in the comments and come back tomorrow to tell us how it went. Don't forget to subscribe because here at psysigns we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.